Where's my lighter? Oh, it's right in front of my face. Woo! Found it. Let me just start my seance like always. Ooh, seancey. I don't know, I'm crazy. As usual. I love the way this sounds though. Doesn't that sound beautiful? Like a fire? No shit, it's a fire, LacquoraSmith. Like a fireplace. Like it just has that fireplace sound to it. It's probably because when I made this candle, I used like the wooden wicks. I didn't realize that they actually crackle like wood. I don't know why I didn't think that. Well, I just sounded ridiculous, but okay. Today's subscription unboxing. Guys, I'm so excited. This finally came in the mail. Fixed it. Shut the air conditioner off. Okay. So, EarFleek. I was online one night. This is EarFleek. It is an earring subscription that you can order. I believe I have avocado. I had avocado stuck in my fingernail. Can we just talk about these fingernails and how awful they look? Like, ew, right? I did them myself. I got the dip nail. It was tragic. Don't do that. Don't buy it. Spend the $40 and go get like a full set. Don't do the dip nails yourself. They suck. Okay, so EarFleek. It's a $3.49 subscription, and you can find a coupon code where you get the first month for half off. So I think it's like a dollar something for your first box. I think $1.75 maybe for your first bag or a box or whatever you want to call it. So there's two different levels of the subscription. There's the $3.49, and it comes like this in like this little cardboard bag. Or you can get the $9 subscription, which comes in an actual box. I just got the $3 subscription, and we are going to get into it right now. Oh, so there's a bag inside of a bag. Okay. All right. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. So they are little flowers. They come in a little cute little baggie here. And it says that they retail for $15.99. Okay. And then they come like this. They're little studs. Oh my god, they're so stinking cute. I was worried after I subscribed to EarFleek. I was worried that there was going to, let me try these on, that there was going to be that they were going to be broken, because every single subscription, like, oh, why can't I find the hole? That's what she said. I found it. Every little subscription that I like watched that somebody else had done, like on YouTube, I looked up EarFleek subscriptions on YouTube to see like other unboxings, to see how like the quality was, like, you know. Oh my god, these are adorable. Do you see this? They are so cute. I think they might be too big for my daughter though. She needs a new pair of earrings because hers broke, and I was gonna give these little flowers to her because like she needs a new pair, but they might be too big for her being, ouch, like this large. They're pretty heavy. Oh my god, they're so adorable though. I love them. Look at how cute those are, right? They're so cute. I like them. Okay. Well, I think that it's my first EarFleek unboxing for $3. Well, my first EarFleek unboxing was less than $3 because I used that coupon code, so it was like $1 something. But I'd say it was definitely worth the $1. Like, what the heck? These are adorable. They feel like really well made. They're good quality. They're not like, I mean, I wonder if they're going to break out my eyes at all because I'm really sensitive to certain earrings. I usually have to get like stainless steel ones, like the surgical steel, or like gold, like real gold, for my ears not to break out or like get infected. But we'll see. This says that they're sensitive skin and nickel free and allergy free, so hopefully they will be totally fine in my ears. But we'll see. I'll keep you updated. Yeah. Oh, I do have to say that I ordered this a couple of months ago. I ordered this back in May. I think it was May. And it's July right now. And I'm just getting my first EarFleek. So it did take a while to get to me. But it was $1.75, so I can't complain, right? And it came well packaged. Also a pro. So cute. Yeah. So that's all for this unboxing. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, I hope you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Join our little community that we have going here. I do unboxings, I do beauty related videos, and I do some clean with me's. Unboxing, cleaning, and beauty videos. Yeah, well, that's about what I do. So I hope you stick around and join our little community, our little happy spot on the interwebs that we have going here. And until next time, bye guys.